Good day into your Wami. My name is Ian Cataluna, and me and my partners, Mimi Sakano, Melody Yang, and Selena Wu, would like to introduce a method and proposition in which we will be able to spread diabetes awareness in our world. We hereby introduce the Health Buddy for Diabetes, the virtual app companion that provides updated medical advice specifically aimed towards increasing diabetes awareness. The four of us know the islands of the CNMI as our home, and seeing that diabetes is the leading diagnosed disease in our islands, we wanted to provide a means in which people, not just those in the CNMI, would be able to reach for information about diabetes so that they would come up more knowledge and motivated to fight it. We primarily use the programming language C# through a shared code database via Microsoft Xamarin App Development with Visual Studio. We were able to make a native Android app with a user interface. Although we were only able to develop the Health Buddy for Android, we specifically chose to work with Xamarin as it allowed flexibility across other multiple platforms such as iOS and Windows due to its shared code capabilities. In addition, we utilized a Maps JavaScript API and a YouTube API for our maps and videos functions found in our app. In the first option, we are given a detailed checklist of do's and don'ts for people who have diabetes. The information further outlines the factors associated with the disease and how to handle it. The map function in the app allows the user to see the nearest health services in the CNMI. For instance, pinpointed here is a local pharmacy named PHI Pharmacy. The Maps JavaScript API allows for an interactive experience, further allowing users to utilize the map at a different perspective, providing a vivid image of the location. For instance, if I place my human cursor here, it allows me to see my surroundings, and therefore providing an overall image of our location. In addition, we have provided a sample list of the most common diabetes medications. The dosage and times to consume it are also listed here. However, this is merely a reference sheet and patients should always seek professional medical advice first. The emergency hotline function redirects the user to the phone app with the number 911 on speed dial. The informationals panel brings us to a variety of infographics relating to diabetes, including some of which help classify the difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes. These are especially eye-catching and useful because of their bright images that lure attention of readers. We hope that this will allow us to reach a larger audience. We also incorporated a podcast tab where the Diabetes Core podcast station posts monthly updates with talks about updates with diabetes. Here, users will be able to hear news regarding any advancements in the fight against the disease. The last option brings us to a playlist of chosen videos aimed to enhance the user experience. We chose videos relevant to diabetes in hopes that it will provide an educational experience for our users. To conclude, we hope that this app provides a beneficial experience to everyone. Although specifically aimed towards diabetes, our goal is to develop more applications that are focused towards other diseases. Additionally, we will be adding a personal medicine scheduler and a checklist in the next version of the app, which will be available across the Android and iOS platforms. A long-term goal of ours is to set up a cloud database in order for our users to store information that can be accessed through a web-based application. The goal is to spread awareness, and through our Health Buddy, we hope to achieve this one community at a time.